Wow. That was nuts. Welcome to Calgary. I haven't been out on this beast in weeks. So there's been a huge change in my life. My wife and I finally moved to Calgary, Alberta. So yeah, hello. Welcome to a video that I've been meaning to make for a while and just haven't done it. A lot of big changes in our life recently. I quit my job. My wife's going back to school. We moved to Calgary, sold our house, bought a house. So we moved down here. We've been here for not quite a week. 5 days. Been working on our house. Bought a nice place in Valley Ridge, it's called. We're just doing some painting and making it our own, I guess. I start my job in a couple weeks on the 17th. Yeah, looking forward to that. I'll be doing the same kind of stuff down here, only so it's a bit weird. I plan to work at a bike shop down here. Obviously that's why I'm a motorcycle mechanic. Anyway, this great opportunity came up to work at a place, just a small shop. There's literally only going to be 3 of us working there. But it's a great opportunity for me to get my journeyman there. Get some really good experience actually rebuilding engines, doing the stuff I really want to do. Now, the downside is, it's actually going to be working on quads and snowmobiles for the most part. There'll be an odd dirt bike, motorcycle in there, but for the most part, yeah, quads and snowmobiles. Which at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to do that. But actually, I think it's going to work out really well. Obviously, let you know as time goes by, but I think it's going to be great because, for one, yeah, I'm going to actually get hands-on, like rebuilding engines, getting in, and actually having a really good journeyman there to help me out. Whereas if I went to work at a dealer, chances are for the first bit I'd be doing PDIs and services and pretty boring stuff, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that, but it gets old after a while, and that's not what I like. That's not what I want. I want to get into engines and I want to learn as much as I can. So great opportunity, and the big upside is that his slow season is in the summer, and that's what you want, really. I want to ride in the summer. I don't want to work. But yeah, today is ride day. I'm finally getting out on the Super Duke. Yes. Anyway, I'm going to meet up with Scotty Wheels, and we're going to go on a little loop, do a tour today.
That sounds like a dude.
Here we go, me and Scotty Wheels. We're gonna go for a little tour. Check out the area around Calgary here. He's gonna show me a couple roads. Oh, look at that. This is why we moved to Calgary. About 60 kilometers from my house. And look at that. Woo!